happened to that flat extension cord plug? The white one that was flat on the wall? I know Dad had it for a while, but I don't know if you ended up with it or I did. That's what I wanted to put on my shelves on 114th Street, but I never found it. No, I don't think so.
She just thinks she's really getting him when she jumps up.
Really? He finally has someone to play tug of war with. That was his favorite thing with Rita. She's holding her own too.
I got distracted.
It acts like a dog, but it looks like a cat.
Does it say? Neil.
I want to jump up into the window.
Yeah, you sure do.
He does.
Go right through the screen too.
Jet, don't even think about it.
That's what I told him an hour ago.
He's hard-headed though. Get the toy, Jet.
Who are you talking to?
Okay. We last left off on vacation.